First things first, preparation is key. You want to start with clean blow-dried hair that's free of tangles or knots. Detangling and blow-drying with a detangler pick is essential when working with a long hair length. This helps to remove all frizz and knots from the hair. You want to ensure you apply leave-in conditioner before blow-drying to reduce discomfort when detangling and blow-drying. Next, you'll need to choose the right products for braiding. A good braiding gel can make all the difference in holding the style in place. Hair clips for easy manipulation. Rat tail comb for easy parting. Hair mousse to add shine and hold to the braids. And elastic bands to secure the ends of the braids. Now, let's get into the actual braiding technique. Make a straight line at the back of the head, ear to ear. Apply your braiding gel and clean up the line with your rat tail comb. You want to use your hair clips to hold the other section of the hair. Divide the parted section into 3 equal parts. One tip to get the perfect and equal box for large size singles is to measure twice the size of the edge of the comb. Take a section of the divided hair and divide into 3. Due to the size of the braids, large single, divide the middle section in a V form. This would help the braids lay flat when done. Begin a regular braid, cross the right strand and the left strand one time, leaving the middle strand on the top. Then take the middle strand to the left, cross the left strand to the right, and cross right strand to the middle. Continue crossing like so, ensuring the tension is not too tight and not too loose while you braid. Tie the end of the braids with an elastic band to secure the ends. Repeat the process. Use the edge of the comb to lay the sides of the boxes properly. Take a section of the divided hair and divide into 3. Divide the middle section in a V form. Begin a regular braid, cross the right strand and the left strand one time, leaving the middle strand on the top. Then take the middle strand to the left, cross the left strand to the right, and cross right strand to the middle. Continue crossing like so, ensuring the tension is not too tight and not too loose while you braid. Tie the end of the braids with an elastic band to secure the ends. Now, let me show you how to layer the rows properly. Part ear to ear. Using the bricklayer method, make a part in the middle of the box in the lower row. This method of parting allows the single braids to lay flat instead of overlapping one another. It also keeps your parts the same size throughout the head. Now that we've got our clean parts ready, let's proceed with braiding each sections. Take a section of the divided hair and divide into 3. Begin a regular braid, cross the right strand and the left strand one time, leaving the middle strand on the top. Continue crossing like so, ensuring the tension is not too tight and not too loose while you braid. Tie the end of the braids with an elastic band. For the top of the head, you want to ensure you make a straight line. One trick I find helpful for making a straight middle part is standing in front of the client and making the part from the front to the back. Another trick I use to ensure the middle part is straight is asking the client if the part looks straight. This may sound weird, but trust me, no one sees the middle of your head better than you, the owner of the head. So you may want to utilize these tips and thank me later. Okay, we've got our men's single braids coming together, and I have to say, it's looking pretty awesome. One of the best things about men's single braids is the confidence boost they give. It makes you look put together, stylish, and ready to take on the day. Apply a generous amount of hair mousse to the braids. Hair mousse helps to add shine and moisture to the braids. Last but not the least, blow dry the hair mousse to seal the braids and set the style. So there you have it. With these simple steps and a bit of practice, you can master the art of perfect men's single braids every single time. Remember, the key to getting the perfect braids is patience and persistence. Don't get discouraged if it doesn't come out perfectly at first. With time and effort, you'll be a braiding pro in no time. If you've got any questions or have had experiences with single braids, leave them in the comments below. And if you're looking for more hairstyle inspirations or looking to learn different exciting braiding techniques, be sure to check out my other videos on the channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Until next time, happy braiding!